to the vlog. Welcome back, you mess. Thank you for subscribing and also liking the video too. See you in a few, you must.
When you're on a holiday, you can't find the words to say all the things that come to you, and I wanna feel it too. On an island in the sun.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. You don't know, it's right now a press now. They even have a, what you call it, an ironing board. I feel I press on this, isn't me? Some people are press on the bed too, isn't it? What? That's the period right now. Getting ready, touch another party, you know what I mean? See it now, we have Dano V on the mix track. You see me? You want bookings, just link on the comment, you see me? See it now? I'm not getting no more of this. Too much. Yo, people in here unruly. We're supposed to check out at 12 o'clock. They've not check out at 12 o'clock. Look on the room. Whole heap of stuff still there, so same way. We're just like get ready for the party. I'm not even come back and cook. But big man thing, I personally believe we should have been like given some form of leeway as well, because like enough things here like wasn't working proper, like water going. That should never happen at any villa or anything like that. You know, I wouldn't. I know somebody's gonna ask me like where I stayed. No ask. Come on, I'll tell them. Cause yeah, but them should give you back an extra night. So I don't know what's gonna happen, but yeah. Right now, I'm gonna get ready. Got on my little cocoa. When they guys a Coca-Cola shot or whatever, and still have on them. Yo, guys, I really love these. I wish I could wear this to the party. I swear to God, these are my favorite shoes right now. Number one, A1. Alright guys, so we just got up here. Yo, it was a hell of a drive, especially in a low car, man. Like, but yo, we made it and stuff. I plan to take you guys to Kanoka Falls one day. I'm definitely not driving that car to go up here. And everybody here, while drinking. Gang. No, the bottom is done. So, right turn. We're about to get lit. You know, look at that. Oh man, this is a nice little entrance and stuff. Step over. Welcome to Jamaica, man. Look at this. Where do you party where you got these nice views, man? Look at this. This is the entrance to the event. Natural, you know? But anyway, I'm gonna make 2 snap right now for the snap what them can see, you see me? If you don't have me on Snapchat, I normally put my snap name in the beginning and the end of the video, so you guys can check it out. You see me? And link up my nigga Dano V. Dano_V on Twitter, on Snapchat, Dano-V. And SoundCloud? Dano V the DJ. I'll give him a link. Mad thing.
Popping out already? No.
Your nipple popping now?
Oh, you were vlogging, man.
Yeah. I'm definitely carrying you guys here for something more adventurous. Girl, guys, I just saw some girls and they are A1. Girls, they are A1. Yeah. Oh yeah.
They couldn't even wait.
Look who I found again. I keep finding you for the vlog. What's up, man? Alright. So we are checking on some food over here, so Chef Adi with some bad omelets, you know what I mean? I just had a slide a while ago. And I mashed it up real quick.
Oh, we got a glass, guys.
And we got the glasses, Simise brunch.
We got a glass.
It's put it up. And then I mash up a slider over here, so
And the omelette.
And an omelette combo, don't know. My thing. What do you come?
Bacardi.
Get me something.
The wine, huh?
Get me something.
Yeah. You want red wine?
Yeah, yeah.
It's yellowtail.
Huh?
It's yellowtail.
Anything I get. Yo, it's muddy in here as hell. A lot of mud, yo. Where people party? Yo, honestly, it's alright. Honestly. Party ready.
So you can use and find yourselves, yeah. So you know you can just find the people. Find the people who have them and everything good, you know what I mean? And people remember, you know, Zimise Brunch, Zimise River, Zimise Road, and like I say, Zimise Foreign, and a bag of other things, don't it? Who else has things? JR, Chromatic.
Aries, bring some frozen, please.
I might just say how I feel. I'm blamed for real. I might just say how I feel.
Shout out to all my ladies winding up, slow riding ladies, here we go.
Always looking like money right from my head out to my feet. She smile at me.
Tell the girl up.
I'm in a bit of a limbo. Still, I will make a move on this young girl.
Jump in the Pegasus. All kind of reckless, the necklace. All kind of reckless, I flexed it. Keep the change, yeah, you heard me correctly. Running on the car, shooting at it.
Make we dance some party again. Everybody feel.
$50,000 on your bill, wanna fuck me, gotta scream it like, cause I got a check, nigga wanna fuck, ain't got a flip, what I got, she don't wanna say, every nigga in the city, I just scream it like,
Everybody know.
And you be on some hot nigga.
Money
I
dance.
just say money down, nigga. Like you see him twirling, he drop.
See me, Shepard.
And we keep the mile milli on my block, nigga. And Monte keep it on him, he ain't drop. And we be wildin', he's some high.
Everybody feel money dance.
Bitch, stop, nigga. Try to bunk down and you can get shot, nigga. Running through these checks till I pass out. Pass out. Shorty give me next till I pass out. Pass out. Swear to God, all I did not be out. And if you ain't a hoe, yeah, they hate, but they know though. When it's time to pop, they have no fun. Yeah, I'm pretty, but I'm local. They wanna see me when I'm in a tantrum. I need me a little baby who won't listen. But I don't wanna be away from you. Did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle. Came straight from the bottom to the top.
Say Bella going. See me and share wicked.
let's get this done again.
Make my songs to 29.
Stop me, I'm all the way up. All the way up.
You want to cut off some of them friends and kill them.
We go through life without no stress. Be friends with some people that's hopeless. Got some of them try to things and them spoon. I just saw them come back. That's where your bread come from. I cheer on them, want see my head bang. Chance time, you know what we do. I'm in the little boy, the gun is if you know. Chromatic, make we sell them. What you love from in the dark? We did a basket like a little bit. He want the weatherman. A boy,
Remember now, by 18 we are party for Nico man.
chromatic, no killer man. So we serve for them, little man. Sit up and make a jam black cream. Me nah be bad up listen. Them know say me bad already. Them know me and mad already.
Everybody work hard, defend yourself anywhere. Go down and tell them, share.
Why go? Man God, he said he put you up in there. And you can't make me.
Let me go, sir.
But you got a thing of them. Yeah, man. Body not really lie.
Illusion.
Body not really lie. Body not really lie. You know you never want me to lie. When you
Pussy boy, stop boy like you talk, 'cause your woman a beat you with jazz. You a
All of the talks over there, and your friend them share. Go down for the party and tell them.
when the right enough, never know where in a sea and no river. Shatter that Christ and feed the sea.
When that song you play, we have to see who's straight from who leads.
Jordan, bad man no share this. People no pussy in that. Yeah, but me chalice by mistake. Wait when they go to take with the tracer. We let me fly with a musty tracer. This is for popular. This is for popular. This is for popular. Joys have comes and the things that don't stop.
Oh shit. Some girl is ready here is over this. Every day that you have enough girl, but yeah, whatever. Here is not of a talk phone. Number way for Europe on the left phone. As of today, but now in this concert and friendship, big up quality. Remember the North Coast with them. So we pull up in our watch with yourself.
Big money popping in the red chromatic box. Big money popping in the red chromatic box. Big money popping in the red chromatic box.
Outside.
We both said see the expert with the new someone you know start kiss 20 when them find out they get in a different scene. Them not wanna be but them can't compete on the world and see say we on street we a tell them fast cash anytime you see we try no cash we a talk about fast cash yes man what them on them with me now show them what fast are they like
So just call one of your foot. One me tell me song, everybody run up and down. Everybody run up and down. Oh shit, one girl slide in her mud and drop. A joke. Careful to jump me a lot. Everybody when this song to the run up and down with your friends. Run up and down with your friend. Run up and down. Everybody has to be the next dancer, really responsible. So everybody know, who ready? Everybody flex. Ribs, I was shot to it. Everybody feel walk up and down in there like a bad man now. Walk up and down like you walk with a rifle, tell them so. Put the flame, this one of them, rapid. a party. So every girl just go wine up. Live your life. Make sure you're drinking responsibly. Every girl wine up, wine up, wine up. Wine up, wine up.
Oh my God. That's a nice air right there. I must admit, guys, I'm a little bit tipsy, but I think the girls are gonna drink a little bit. Definitely not gonna drink. For maybe the past hour or so, I've been drinking water. I drink like 2 small bottles of water, not the average size water, but I feel alright, but still not 100%. Can't tell 100%. I'm not gonna lie. Huh?
Can we leave this and then we just carpool?
No, I can drive home, but like the really messed up part about it is like the holy part.
Bumpy?
Yeah, but otherwise I'm good. I'm gonna give you guys a lowdown. So the lowdown pretty much is like there's a girl that went in the bathroom and pretty much disrespected Judah. Everybody wants to use the bathroom and she said a whole load of crap and Judah like confronted her about it and pretty much, yeah. And I'm not trying to be like siding for my girl or anything like that, but based on what I heard, like it was messed up because a girl is in the bathroom doing her sanitary thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, leave it, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't. But you know what? Everyone is lit at the event and people are not thinking what they're saying. So that's what they're talking about right now, and I'm not on the video that, like, to give you more details, but yeah, everybody lit. We got home safely, and right now we need to get back to Kingston, but honestly, you know me, normally my vlogs, like I head back home like the day after everything, like after I've done everything, because you get that easier ride. You get me? I say a more comfortable rides where you can isn't more comfortable and more rested. But we got an extension. I spoke to the guy because we were really inconvenienced and stuff, you know. And so, what's gonna happen? We're gonna go up, maybe try to cook something. I don't know, but I need like an hour of just chilling and then get back home because I have work tomorrow, Monday. It's not in the morning, maybe like in the afternoon. I don't know if I have any clients that need me in the morning or what, but like, yeah, that's the pre right now. So we're heading up. The girls are gonna be drinking rum cream. I'm not gonna be drinking anything, just water, and I'm done. Anyway, guys, I don't know if I'm ending the vlog here. Maybe I am.
Nah, you ain't.
Baby, yeah, he said I ain't, so I guess I'm not. Extension for the vlog, guys.
Look at my Louis case. Look at it. I can't even fix this shit again.
The girl broke it, like she
should thump in her face.
crazy. Anyway, guys, being the guy that I'm trying to fix this Lumi case. And the Lumi case seems pretty basic based on what I'm looking at. Sorry if you can't hear me. But it has a button right here.
No, she wasn't there. Everybody ran.
So her Lumi case has been going off, but I think it's a button. Because there's a button right here on the circuit. So you click it. See?
Let me tell you exactly.
So it's not really going off. It's just a button that's been on. Press it again. It's good. So I'm gonna try to see if I can salvage it. And you know, so much we can get to it. Sorry guys, they are really lit right now. They are so lit. Alright guys, so they're still talking about this whole thing, so please just pay attention to me. The Lumi case is a basic concept. It's just a battery and some LED lights. Like, nothing special about it, you know what I'm saying? Of course the name Lumi, branding. You know what I'm saying? So I pretty much fixed it, but it's not 100% because I have to put like glue to hold it together. So you can see right here, the button is still there. If there's a button slot, then maybe it's missing, but if you click the button, like you put your finger in, the light comes on. Oh, look at that light. It's like that. Not 100%, baby, it needs to be glued.
Oh, that's fine.
So, yeah, so the light bars you put them here where they were before, but you need to just glue it together so everything is lit. And that's alright. You know, like problem solved. You know what I'm saying? I'm lit. You know, whatever girls do. But yeah, they still talking about it. We're gonna get some food cooked, and you know, thank you guys for watching and supporting Sly Vlogs, you know. The vlogs are a little bit different sometimes. It's not gonna always be the same thing. It's not gonna always be adventure vlogs. It's not gonna always be stay-at-home vlogs. It's not gonna always be cooking vlogs or whatever. Thank you for watching. Guys, remember to check out my other channel, House Ibby. On House Ibby, I'm gonna do like a lot of how-tos, you know, stuff that I know how to do, stuff that I think that might be, you know, fun for you to know how to do. And I'll be like looking at some other videos that I thought were cool already, and I'll show you in my own way and stuff. So keep the link, guys, as always. I don't know if I'm gonna finish the vlog or what. I'm gonna pee for the third time maybe in the last 30 minutes. Bro. So do that pretty much. I can't pull up the cooking still. I'm gonna cook up some, cut up some potato, put one help and same, you know, myself put the potato and stuff on the skin and thing. So she can make some mashed potato now. You know, I might think. I did with some chicken and, you know what I mean? And she had with some Cheetos. So big up Judah. Judah's been holding it down in the kitchen. Some mashed potatoes with cheese and some eggs. Some barbecue chicken right there, looking good. Some mac and cheese and stuff. You see me? It's a good look. And something over to cut up on. But anyway, guys, we don't even know if we're gonna be leaving tonight or not, but I might end the vlog here because I'm sure it's a lot of footage that I gave you guys for today. So I'm those three things, guys: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, guys, to keep the link. If you love the video, remember to hit that like button and to subscribe to join the family. See you guys next time.
All I